You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, where we help you move your life, not just your boxes. Today, we're digging into one of the most important and most overlooked reasons why clients choose SDC. We don't believe in one-size-fits-all shipping. First, temperature-controlled shipping for fine arts. We help a Los Angeles-based sculptor move to Berlin with 22 handcrafted pieces. They weren't just expensive, they were irreplaceable. We provided custom crating, climate-controlled containers, and arranged white glove delivery with our partners in Germany. We even guided the client through artwork import regulations to avoid unnecessary fees. 2. Motorcycle and household move in one container. A couple moving from Miami to Libsyn didn't want to ship their motorcycle separately. We made it easy by creating a custom layout inside a 20-foot container that accommodated their Harley and their household goods, saving time and money. 3. Specialized packing services. From oversized sofas to dedicated chandeliers, we've packed it all. When clients choose our professional packing services, we not only ensure safe transit, we also unlock access to full insurance options. Many clients don't realize that self-packed items may be excluded from all-risk coverage, so letting our experts handle packing often pays off in more than one way. 4. Partial moves, split shipments, and storage. We worked with a Boston family who was moving to Sydney, but only taking half their belongings right away. The rest, we stored it in our U.S. climate-controlled facility and delivered it 6 months later, once they had settled in. 5. Business relocations and high-value equipment. From medical labs to media studios, we've moved delicate and complicated equipment overseas for commercial clients. Our tailored logistics and partner network make it possible to ship high-value equipment across continents with precision and peace of mind. When you move with SDC, we listen, we plan, and we adapt. Because a truly successful international move doesn't begin with a container. It begins with a conversation. So, if you're planning a move and thinking, but my situation is complicated, good. That's where we shine. Let's create a moving plan that's built for you. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267 to speak with one of our expert coordinators. We're here to move your world your way.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.